they still nameless.
Welcome back to another vlog. Luca and the star Eno of the show.
Yeah.
We're going to entertain you today. You're brutal holding that phone. We have some treats,
Pig's ears.
some laughs, some not so laughs, some messing about.
Sick, that's a pig's ear for the dog. No way.
What?
Pig's ears?
Yeah, it's a pig's ear.
Sick. Sick.
It's a pig's ear.
That's an actual pig's ear, right?
Is it? That's a pig's ear, yeah. Do you
Man.
want it? Do you want it? Go on.
Oh wow. And now we're gonna walk up to Dundrum.
See you later.
Hey guys, I just got to Dundrum shopping center. It's pretty big. There's more shops in it, like H&M and others. And while I was walking here, some guy saw the Jake Paul hoodie and shouted Jake Paul. And crazy fans. Okay guys, so we're just walking to McDonald's to eat. She's hungry. She's so fat. Yeah. Okay guys, so we just finished shopping, and this is Dundrum Shopping Center. Okay guys, so I just went shopping, and now I'm on the way back to the house. Yeah, this is where we live. Here we are. Hey.
See them, Ted. Say hello. She wants to go from here. Hello. Didn't you go? Yeah. Hey, Ted. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Are you videoing me? Yes, I
Hey.
will. I haven't seen you in ages. How are you? Good. You? Grand. Stop.
Man, you're too tall.
That's gonna be on his vlog. Oh god, no. You going in? So cute.
Wait,
Yeah. What?
wait, how tall are you?
I don't know.
What? Wait, so we're taking the dog for a walk.
And we have no poo bags, so Luke is going to use his hand. Say hello, Teddy. Say hello. Nisha says to not let him off if she could run and not come back. She probably would, but I
And
just
shall we let him off?
Does she?
Shall we let him off?
No way.
Why?
She might
Let him run away.
I'd be killed.
That's great.
I'd be killed.
Yeah, that's great.
For me to be killed?
Yeah.
Come on.
See you.
Okay.
Do you?
Yep.
She don't run off like she did.
When can't that dog get any smaller?
Huh?
Can't that dog get any smaller?
She can't get any smaller?
Yeah.
I know, she's just the cutest, isn't she? Look at her. Like she's actually good. When we got her, like she was this size. She was tiny.
You should go shave all her hair off.
We got to shave the 2 weeks ago, and it's growing back now. Good day, Dad.
We're coming to the same park as we did the vlog before.
Oh, with Coco.
Yeah. And then
But who's nicer, Coco or Teddy?
both are nice.
No,
but,
tell them. Who
but,
did you,
but then Teddy is cuter.
do you hear this? What Lucas said? Coco is cute, but Teddy is cuter, a nicer dog. Told ya. Sure not, Dad. What's up there? Go! Go! Go get it! Luca,
Yeah.
I'm gonna slap you.
You're gonna slap me.
Just so you know where that. I'll bring him over to where the birds are.
Snake, the snake.
Oh, jeez, Luca! Yeah. No, exactly.
Then why'd you get scared?
Snakes here.
Then why'd you get
I
scared?
know, I don't know. I thought it would be a rabbit.
Teddy.
You go over to where the birds are. Should I chase them?
No.
You could be gone for a while.
Huh. Come, Teddy. Teddy. It's so windy.
Windy?
It is.
She nearly bring you for a walk that time.
Yeah. She did.
Teddy, go get them. Teddy. Teddy.
Okay, so what Barcelona games have you been to?
What Barcelona games?
Yeah.
Barca Valencia and Barca PSG.
Who were the players you saw? Did
Who?
you see any players?
Did I see any players?
Yeah.
Of course I seen players.
What are the names?
Well, who's the main man?
Messi.
Messi.
You saw him?
Saw him in his car. Neymar, Rakitic, Suarez, PK. Yeah, cool.
Lucky you.
Yeah, let me see that shit.
Hey guys, so we just got back after we walked the dog to the park and now back to his house. So now we're just gonna have a small chat. This was in front of our house. It's so funny.
What you pointing at the dog?
Oh,
Oh, Teddy, I'm sorry. Oh, are you pointing to? Oh, don't mind them. That wasn't nice. Look, I'm gonna kill you.
that's a good one for my vlog. And I'm gonna take the dog and throw. Can I take the dog and throw him?
Can you take the dog and throw her?
Yeah.
You can, yeah. You take that dog and throw her, and I'll F you through that window.
Let's see.
Let me see it, Luca. Luca, I'm gonna kill you.
He's such an ugly dog.
She's the most prettiest dog in.
Coco's much better.
Coco.
Who is this? Sick.
Look, you be walking home.
Yeah, I don't mind. It's just down
Won't
the
you,
road.
Teddy? He won't be coming up here again to see you. It's gone, you ugly. Fix over here.
Okay, so Ian, what's the plan?
Plan is we're getting petrol.
And
boring.
and then
Boring.
and then
And then I'm gonna treat Audrey to a car wash.
what's Audi?
Audrey,
Audi the Audi.
Audrey the Audi, Audrey the Audi. Is your seatbelt on?
Oh. Where's yours?
I don't wear seatbelt. I'm okay.
But then aren't you like police? And then aren't you going for work at 12?
I am the police.
Aren't you going to work at 12? Are you going to beat someone up?
Did she wait back? Did she? Did she wait back?
Or did they?
That's strange, mate. That's very strange.
Those two animals? Eat up all.
And there's petrol there as well, buddy. His name is Restore. That's his name. His name is Restore.
No. Vishal Restore.
He owns the Restore.
Probably someday.
Ah, yeah, right.
That's a 40 10, please.
Where you from, buddy?
India. You need a receipt?
No, it's okay. He was going to get nothing. He's getting nothing.
Need back?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
See you later, Restore.
See you.
Say bye.
Next time you see me as an owner.
I believe it. I do.
See you. Bye.
Bye. She thirsty.
Are you going to rob the shop?
Are you gonna rob the shop? So, are you ready for work?
No,
Are you gonna hammer someone?
I'm not a harm on someone tonight.
Do you think that there's gonna be any thieves? Anyone? Donkeys?
You what?
There's gonna be any donkeys tonight?
Junkies?
Yeah.
No, not where I'm going.
Where are you going?
Casino.
Oh wow.
I work in a casino.
So what's the plan for a night?
Work.
What's your work?
Bouncing.
Bouncing, wow. Beat some people up?
No.
Why?
Because if I beat them up, I lose them as customers. Do you ever see them cars that bounce, that have the hydraulics to bounce?
Yeah. Hey guys, we just got back and I don't think we're doing anything else today. So that's it for the vlog. Like and subscribe. Peace.